Good morning, family. How y'all doing? Everybody having a blessed and happy day. I decided to get up and try some Japanese baked spaghettis. I'm using a fettuccine, the little small noodles. It'll be my first time trying it. One of my little Japanese friends was telling me how to do it. So basically, you just boil your noodles, whatever kind you want. Once they boil, you put your seasoning and stuff on top of them. I'm using bell peppers, banana peppers. Uh, I might put a little black seeds in it, and I'm gonna put. She said put some sunflower seeds. Also, I have bell peppers. I have some spinach. I'm gonna put some Velveeta cheese, and she said let it bake for about 1 hour, and whatever season you want, lemon pepper or whatever. And she said put about 3 or 4 olives around and let it cook. I'm gonna let it cook for 1 hour, and then I'm gonna tell y'all what it came out to be. And she said these seeds are very good, so I'm gonna use the organic black char seeds, and they also good with water for detoxing. I use them sometime. But that's what I'm doing for supper, and I'm gonna have that with some corn, with some seasoning. I'm gonna bake some tenderloin chicken, demure, to the taste, baby, the real demure, because Mama got it here. So I'm gonna use that and have a good flavor to it. And I'll let y'all know, Business Boss Housewife, BTL 911 on YouTube. Sharing is caring.